Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today it's a bun recipe, buns filled with spicy potato masala. It's a perfect tea time snack. Hope you will like it. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to receive notifications. So to make the bun, first we will take 1 teaspoon of instant yeast in a bowl and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Into this we'll add 175 ml of lukewarm milk and water mixture. Here I have taken half milk and half water. Mix it, and into this we'll add 175 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix it. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and we'll mix this and form a shaggy mass and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. After that we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter and knead it well till the dough becomes soft and elastic. If you feel that the dough is very sticky, you can add a tablespoon of flour and knead it till the dough becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough is well kneaded. If you check the dough, we can see that the dough has become elastic and it is not tearing while stretching it. So now we'll transfer this into an oiled bowl and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Meanwhile, let us make the masala for the buns. Take 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadai. Add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and 3 red chilies, dry red chilies. You can add more if you want it spicier. And then 2 tablespoons of peanuts and fry it till it turns golden brown. After it is fried, allow it to cool down. Then we'll transfer it into a mixer grinder. Add salt to taste and we'll grind it and keep it aside. Into the same kadai to make the potato masala, here I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and when it is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Now into this we'll add 1 whole onion chopped finely and 1 teaspoon of green chili chopped. You can add chilies according to your taste. Saute it, and then into this we'll add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of asafoetida. Into this goes the mashed potatoes. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. Mash it well. Now into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Mix it well and switch off the flame. Add juice of half lemon and our potato masala is ready. Keep it aside and let it cool down. We'll use it as filling only after it is well cooled. Now our dough is risen nicely. We'll give it a short knead. Let us transfer the dough onto a well floured surface and we'll divide this into 6 equal parts. And make tight balls out of it and allow the balls to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it will be easier for us to roll out the dough. Now we'll roll this into rounds about the size of our palm. Now we'll place the peanut garlic masala first. and then the potato masala. I've made balls of the potato masala and kept. We'll place it like this, and we'll make triangular shaped buns. Bring two sides like this, pinch it well, and the third side like this, pinch it well, and we'll transfer this onto a prepared baking sheet. Either grease the sheet or line it with parchment paper. Now our buns are perfectly done. Let us place it onto the cookie sheet. Similarly, we'll make all the buns. This is a delicious tea time bun and it's so easy to make it. Please do try the recipe. We can also fold the buns like this. Make 3 marks and bring the 3 points together to the center like this, and pinch the open sides and make it into a triangle bun. So our buns are all ready. We'll allow it to rest for 15 minutes and then either brush with ghee and bake it, or here I am dusting it with some flour and making some designs on the buns using a sharp blade. We should use a fresh blade for this, and then we'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or till it turns golden brown in color. I have used the toast mode, that is with both the upper and lower rods on in the middle rack. Now the buns are beautifully baked. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.